are in the famous Maho Beach. So as you can see, it's really a nice beach. Clear as crystal. It's really amazing, unbelievable. It's famous because this is where the airplane passes through to land to the airport runway, and this is the beach over here. And as you can see, that's only what, 10 steps away, and it's already the runway of the airport. Look at that. So yeah, that's why people loves here, because it's a different experience. You get to experience the plane landing. It's really nearly on top of you.
Ethan, what do you think about St. Maarten?
It's really cool. The beaches, the water, it's really clear. It's amazing. We're gonna see more beaches and other stuff.
Alright, our food just arrived. I ordered mahi-mahi. And mommy's there. Okay, and Alyson. Their food is the chicken wings.
Yeah.
And Alyson, Ethan.
Mine is the bacon and eggs burger.
Okay, how was it? How was it?
Yummy. Very good.
You're in the middle of it.
Hello guys, we are here at the Maho Beach nearby the airport. Well, yeah, kind of. But it's really good. Like every time when the plane comes over, you can see up close how big it is. Like, oh my. I experienced it like 2 times. We're just gonna wait for the JetBlue and then we're gonna go somewhere else and have more fun. Oh, it's so close!
Waiting for the aircraft for arrival and on their final approach. The first aircraft that we're waiting for, it's the KLM from Amsterdam, and it's gonna be A330-300. The pilot's waving back. Okay, they gave us a full power. Okay, get ready. Get ready. Yeah. Woo. We got 2 engines now, full power.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is, yeah. We're at the middle.
Kinda. Oh, okay, go. Be careful with your eyes. Oh shit! I told you, be careful with your eyes. I got. That's right. I told you, be careful with your eyes. Oh! Oh, that was so cool! Woo! Ethan! Oh, that was sick! Ethan! That was sick! That was so cool! Woo! Next in line, 757 Delta.
Oh, 737's coming.
Yeah. Which one? The
WestJet.
WestJet, yeah. We're protecting our face. Sand's gonna be blasting off. It's gonna be a big one.
I would rather freaking go turn away.
It's okay.
That's a big engine.
Oh shit, that's a big one. That's a big engine right there.
We have to clear the...
We are protecting our face.
Yeah.
Sand blasting.
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, next in line, WestJet 737.
800.
800, yeah. All right, give us full power, WestJet.
Yeah.
Okay, get ready. We're right in front of the left engine. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
But the A330-300 is very...
That's nice.